Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus GL703G. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're watching this, it's likely that your Asus GL703G has a cracked screen, and the touch functionality is no longer working. This issue can arise from accidental drops or impacts, which can compromise the internal components. If left unrepaired, this can lead to further damage and potentially render your device unusable. To fix this, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, tweezers, and a replacement screen specifically for the Asus GL703G. Now, let's get started on the repair. First, ensure the device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by carefully removing the back panel. Use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws located around the edges of the back panel. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the panel, being cautious not to damage any clips. With the back panel removed, locate the display connector. This is usually found near the center of the motherboard. Gently disconnect the cable by lifting the connector lever with your fingers or tweezers. Next, identify the old screen. It will be attached to the laptop's frame. Carefully unscrew any screws securing the screen in place. After that, you can gently lift the screen away from the frame. Be cautious here, as there may still be cables attached. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take the new screen and align it with the frame. Reconnect the display connector by pushing it back into place and locking the lever. Secure the new screen with the screws you removed earlier. Before closing up the device, double-check that all connections are secure and there are no loose cables. Once everything is in place, carefully reattach the back panel, ensuring all clips are engaged. Finally, replace the screws around the edges to secure the panel. Now power on your Asus GL703G and check that the new screen is functioning correctly. To prevent this issue from occurring again, consider using a protective case or screen protector. Always handle your device with care to minimize the risk of drops. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.